Fuck, magiging single mom nga to. So, like, 6 days.
Alex, how's it going?
Oh, I'm
Any
bad at math.
progress with the
14 days.
phonometer? Right. You get it working?
No.
No, sadly.
You need something?
Oh, I'm heading to rations. Care to join me?
No. No thanks, Dad.
Okay.
Familiar mo kanya? Yung parang, hello my neighbor ba
The
yun?
phonometer. I'm no tech wizard, but
Dad, no, it's not ready.
Oh shit, my vape! Oh, it's the pregnancy test.
Alex, I know.
How?
I'm a doctor. And your father. How far along?
I don't... 2 months, maybe?
Who else knows?
Nice.
Told Martin before he...
So, no one. I mean,
Alex, you will get through this. We will all get you through this.
me, Kenneth, Laura.
Laura can't find out.
Why?
I
Fuck.
really want to tell her I'm pregnant with her grandchild.
Laura's always at her best when she has a goal. Since Martin's death, Mark's been running things, which is bad for everyone.
Wait, these are too many people.
Focus on
Kenneth, Martha, Mark,
her grief.
She will never
Alex.
forgive me. Never.
Oh, she's gonna find out. Whether or not we tell her.
Yeah.
Not if we leave.
Lalo na kung may 11 more babies ka sa tiyan, lalaki talaga tiyan mo.
They've got supplies.
Oh, we are not going anywhere. This pregnancy will be
Complicated.
I can take care of you here.
At a half-burned-down hospital out of supplies.
Have you actually spoken to anyone at this camp?
No,
No, but
We don't even know if the National Guard is still there.
ganun kadami kaya?
I'll find proof.
No. You need to rest.
Dad, please.
Look, I'll find proof. Tomorrow I'll look for a radio and see if I can reach someone.
And
May lights,
if
pero ba't
the
sila
National
nakakandil?
Guard is at the camp?
One step at a time. All right? You shouldn't have a dead flashlight. I'll get you a battery.
No, I'll get it. Are there any nausea pills?
Antiemetics. I'm not sure. Someone broke into the medicine cabinet. Now Mark won't let anyone near it.
Pwede ba yun sa pregnant
I'll
woman?
collect what I can, so we're ready to leave once you contact the camp.
Just be careful.
Hi. I'll go to the storage room and grab some batteries and pills. Body and hair. Oh, that doesn't sound good. Alex, I don't know what to say, but I'm here. Okay. Happy 1 month anniversary! I know it's super cheesy to celebrate being together for a month, but in this world, I'd say 1 month is quite an accomplishment. I love you, Martin. Oh, is that them? Oh. But tayo mag-ingay because we're on a safe place. First floor. Where's the storage area? Probably here 101. Effective immediately. Any communications with Laura goes through me. This is not up for discussion. Why? Ken, Mark. So who the fuck wrote it? Ken or Mark? Pag ba pregnant na ako, kaya ko pa din like mag-sleep dito. Kasi my belly is gonna be big as fuck.
Damn it, Mark, I didn't steal any pills.
Well, someone did.
Yeah,
Raul.
nonsense. Or anyone else that was smart enough to get the hell out of here.
No one is leaving until I find out who did this. I'm searching every room, including yours.
Yeah, Raul.
The deep end. Without Laura pulling on your leash.
Watch it.
Check what you want. I didn't take anything.
Check what you want. Okay, I'm getting out before he comes out. Ooh, this camp is actually big. If you see debris on the ground, broken glass, etc., it must be cleaned up immediately. Stepping on noises will alert the creatures to your location. This cannot happen. Oh, someone's down there. Yun yung barricade, no? Doesn't look safe. Can't go here. Oh, there's a lot of people. I'm not good with names. Important daily rations have been cut in half. This is essential, not up for discussion. Necessary ba tong sand? Like, hindi ba siya annoying as fuck? I don't think I'm supposed to go here. Dito, kasi may lights. Doon nag indicate. And yung bottom right, sinasabi like, hindi naririnig yung boses ko in-game. Hindi ko alam kung kailan kailangan yun. I think fully hindi pa kailangan. So, chills muna. Not here. Oh yeah, I can run. Oh, stupid. Oh fuck yeah, my asthma. Important. Someone broke into the medicine cabinet and stole from us. If you know anything about this, you must tell me immediately. Failure to do means failing to put your community first. It's Clementine. What's this? Okay, batteries. I got it. Pro battery C. Fuck, am I the one who's stealing?
This area's off limits.
Right. Sorry. I just heard someone got into the pills and I was worried. But I'll go. Okay.
Good to see you're finally up. Laura will be glad to hear it.
He Loki looks like Jesus from The Walking Dead. Not Jesus Bible. Inventory. U for tools and E for consumption. U for I don't think I need a flashlight just yet. Oh, these controls are not it. I don't want to recharge it yet. Full battery span. Oh, a church! Kaya siguro sila may Jesus. Oh! You can recall callouts by Alt button. You can recall callouts. Recall callouts. Oh, I can't run because of the asthma. So, I don't know what's next. Like, what am I supposed to do? I got the shit that I need. Here. No? I'll go back to your room. Oh! My camera fucked up. Oh. PT. So, E and Q. Got it. Now, what do I do? That's Martin and... No! That's Kenneth? Fuck. Grabe yung scroll like, dinaig ko pa yung Valorant player. Never forget how Julia would twist her hair between her thumbs and forearm when she was thinking. Ah, like this, okay. The way she rolled her shoulder. Espresso! Okay, what do I do again? Oh yeah, this. "102, 02. Kimi ga boku no daringa." Tembak? What? No. Siguro may window dyan. That's why there's a huge cushion. Oh, she's still wearing the gloves. Actually, ang ganda ng graphics. Like, kita mo yung details. Oh, it's working. And my natal floor. Natal? Natal 4? Oh, I'm sleeping. Ah, me. Now I'm holding. Oh fuck!
How long,
Oh shit!
Laura? What are you? How long have you known?
Is this Laura?
I will not let you hurt another member of my family. Laura, wait.
Oh fuck! Susumbong siya. I mean, what are they gonna do? Are they gonna like kick her out kasi liability siya?
Enough. I won't be your prisoner.
Me and my thoughts. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh!
You were right. It's not Xavier. I knew Laura was upset, but I never thought she'd lock you up.
Oh, she locked me up?
Get you out of here.
Okay.
Okay.
This way.
Okay, what do I grab? This thing. Fuck yeah. Okay, I need to grab shit. Can I grab this? No, I can't. I can. Can't grab shit. Oh wait, I'll grab this. No, I can't. Okay, let's just get the fuck out of here. I guess. What's your name again?
Through here.
Kenneth.
Let you out near the end of this floor.
Kenneth. Like, lol, Aram. Okay.
I'll meet you at the camp. Just follow the train tracks. Now go.
But
Alex, please. We don't have time.
Have time, you have to go. Oh,
They're coming.
is this the time? Is this the time na
where is she?
I'm here?
Watch it. I told you. I don't know.
Oh, Shiba, you stupid fuck. Nag-ingay ka kasi. Yeah, that's what you get. Fuck, may monster! Thumbnail. Joke. So not there, and it's dark as fuck. Like, I need my flashlight. Oh, it's supposed to be scary, bawal with flashlight. Hindi pa ako ganun matatakot kasi like, hindi ko pa kailangan tumahimik. For more immersive. Oh fuck, ito na. Okay guys, I'm gonna be quiet now. Fuck, kailangan ko inhaler and pills! Ah, inhaler full restore pills. Okay. Got it. Hindi ko alam kung paano gamitin yung pills. He's gonna die. Okay. Fuck. What's that? Phonometer. Shows the noise Alex is making in relation to the environment sounds around her. Be quieter than the... Wait, I'm confused. So kailangan mas tahimik, you're right. Cases to the left. Got it. I still don't know. What the fuck is the fucking can? I didn't see. So sorry, guys. Every noise is dangerous. Reduce your sound as much as possible by avoiding noisy surfaces or walk slowly on them, such as metals. Oh, ngayon niya sinabi. I'm gonna be quiet. Zip. Okay guys, break. I don't know. I'm gonna search up paano gamitin yung fucking pills. I still don't know how, pero let's. Okay, pwede mag-ingay. Oh my god, it's like Chushi again. You finding insulating the private rooms and offices. Oh, this will allow people to have whispered conversations without risk of being heard by the. Akala ko like, pag pinulit ko siya, mag-iingay ako and it's like, parang matatalo ako. Secrets lang pala. Collectibles. Nah, I don't care about those. Guys, like, you can understand by hearing its sound cue. So get out of there and avoid any noise until you feel the danger has gone. Pwede ko ba siya ibato? I don't know where to go. I'm scared. Is this the way? Yes, it is. I just go here. fuck you! Ow! This girl and her asthma attacks. I don't know, it's... Yung fan ko ba yun? I don't know kung rinig siya nung laro. Yung fan ko. Sorry guys, it's hot. But I'm confused, where do I go though? Akala ko tama yung ginawa ko, like I hid sa side. Okay. Caitlyn and I are leaving. You know why. Fuck, okay, I need to turn on my aircon. Because I don't know if nadedetect nung like in-game mic yung electric fan. Kasi nag-on siya and I'm scared. I don't want that to happen. Okay, let's start. Oh, okay, whew. It wasn't me, it was the rat. Face the creature. Sometimes there might be situations where you'll need to pass through the creature to go to your next objective. Keep your distance. Don't make sound and find a way out. Oh my god. Oh, finally, so it was so stressful. So that's it for the second part. Hopefully, nag-enjoy kayo sa panonood. Kasi ako nag-enjoy talaga ako. Like, ang intense niya and everything, you know. Kung may gusto kayo gawin ako, like, masyado kang tahimik kapag ako maglaro. Comment nyo lang and I'll improve on shit. And yeah,